How to fix Black Ops 7 and Warzone not launching on your Steam from your PC. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot if your Black Ops 7 and your Warzone as well is not launching on your Steam account from your PC. It's very easy fix. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to double check if you downloaded the correct file. So go onto your Steam account and then go into store, and then from the box simply type in Call of Duty. Simply type in Call of Duty, hit on enter. Now, as you notice, there is actually a lot of options here that you can choose. Now, for you to be able to install Warzone separately and as well Black Ops 7, you just want to have to install the very first result here. Now, for you to be able to continue and install Black Ops 7 and Warzone, all I have to do is to launch the game. Now, once you launch it, as you can see, there is Black Ops 7 here and Warzone as well. You should be able to know if you have successfully installed this because you should see a play button. However, if it's not installed properly, then you will only see install. You simply click on install, wait for a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed, and you should be able to fix the issue. And that's how you fix Black Ops 7 or Warzone not launching on your Steam from your PC.